about J. This one I'm going to show you how you can do it to slow music or fast music to remind you that whatever your level and ability, you can change the music. This begins with a pas de bourrée, but a slow pas de bourrée the first time. 1, 2, 3. Stamp on 4. Pick up 5. Ball change and 6. And a quick pas de bourrée back. 7 and 8. Then we've got the foot behind ready to replace it to do the pas de bourrée again. 1, 2, 3, stamp on 4, pick up 5, ball change and 6, quick pas de bourrée, 7 and 8. Pas de bourrée backside front. Then you're going to do a stamp, ball in on 2, out on 3, in on 4, out on 5, pick up ball change 6 and 7, and stamp without weight, because you're going to use that again to do a double stamp for your in and out. If you wanted to, you could have, of course, used the other leg and repeat it on that foot. So for now, I'm going to just keep doing it on the right foot, but you could do a normal stamp on the end with weight and then stamp the ins and outs on this foot if you want to. But I'm going to do it all on the right foot so you can follow along quite easily without having to worry about change of feet. Let's do it from the beginning. Pas de bourrée. 1, 2, 3, stamp 4, 5, ball change and 6, pas de bourrée, 7 and 8. Slow pas de bourrée. 1, 2, 3, stamp on 4, pick up 5, ball change and 6, quick pas de bourrée, 7 and 8. Then the second part, stamp 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pick up ball change, 6 and 7, stamp without weight if you're going to go on that foot, or with weight to do the other foot. Stamp 2, 3, 4, 5, pick up ball change, 6 and 7, stamp. That must be without weight if we're doing on that foot, because we're now going to start from the beginning with the pas de bourrée. Remember to play this bit as many times as you like before you continue, where I do it with you with music. Now let's try with some fast music. workout or warm up K. Feet slightly apart to begin. Heel beat right. Brush back left. Toe left. Spring toe in front. Let's do that from the beginning. Heel right foot. Heel, brush, toe, spring toe. From there you're going to do the heel down in the front. Make sure you make a good beat. Heel with the back foot. Brush out to the side and brush behind. Then we're going to do 4 shuffle hop steps, and it doesn't matter if you do them straight or sideways, whatever you prefer. And then 4 shuffle hop steps crossing over in front. You can travel if you like. And then ball heels starting with the back foot as pas de bourrées. Now this you can go all one direction or turning or from side to side. Ball heel, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As you see, I went side to side because of space restriction. And then begin from the beginning. From the beginning, heel, brush, toe, spring toe, heel, heel, brush out, brush back. Shuffle hop steps, then crossing over, then ball heels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you see you've got your feet apart to begin again. Again, play this as many times as you like before you've got it. And now I'll do it with music.